Ladies and gentlemen, Godfather back to you with another video. Today I'll be showing you how to find out who unfollowed you on Instagram using an app called Followers and Unfollowers. To get the app, simply go to Google Play Store and type in Followers and Unfollowers and install the app. After installing the app, open it up, scroll down, tap on the I agree box, hit I agree, hit on login with Instagram. After that, type in your credentials and log in. After logging into the app, it will display all the people that have unfollowed you on Instagram. In order to unfollow someone, just tap on the unfollow button. And that person has been unfollowed from your Instagram list. Thanks for watching. For more videos just like this, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at fadi_raha.